Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist and YouTuber based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I am going to be creating this soft eye glam using the one, the only, the infamous Makupaddiction Flaming Love eyeshadow palette. Now, if this is a content you would like to see, then please keep on watching, and while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel please by clicking on that red button underneath this video. Like this video, comment on this video, share this video if you possibly can, and I'll see you after the intro. The Makupaddiction Flaming Love palette has been one of my OG palettes for the longest time, and this is what we are going to be using to create a soft eye glam today. And the funny thing is, I have a video a couple of years back where I used this eyeshadow for another soft eye glam. Well, how time flies. So I've already done my brows off camera. I have a detailed brow tutorial on brows. So what I'm going to do now is to set the concealer I use to clean up the brows with just a lighter shade of my face powder. I always like to say that I like to do this rather than using a very light concealer to clean up underneath my brows. So having done that, I am going to be breaking out my P. Louise base today, and this is a P. Louise base in Rumor 04, and I'm going to be applying this all over my lid. Just apply this all over my lid. I normally like to use a bigger brush, but let's just use this for today. And whenever I'm done with this, I like to use my hand to tap it in some more, like just to kind of blend it out. This creates a base and helps with payoff of the product. Okay, we're going to enter into the other eye. Okay, we're going to be starting with Savannah Desert, which is this brown shade right here. This is going to be a transition color. This will be a crease color, which is brownie. So we're starting with Savannah Desert, then we'll go into brownie, and we're going to use this Eden as our lead color. And I have been loving this Vicabel NK24 brush. It looks just like it's a blending brush. I love the way it blends products. So what we're going to do is just to kind of stamp it in first, and then we start blending. This eyeshadow is really pigmented, and a little bit goes a long way. And for those who have like deeper, darker skin tone, I always recommend this Flaming Love eyeshadow palette. It's not cheap. It's not cheap at all, but it does get the work done. So you can see how beautiful, you can see how that is real transition color. When we say transition color, oh, we stamp and then we start blending. When you say transition color, that is what we mean by transition color, because it just gives a beautiful, very beautiful look, and it blends out really nicely. Okay, We are done with the two eyes now. The next thing we are going to do will be to apply our crease color. So we're going to that brownish shade now. And what I like to do, I like to just stamp it here. Just stamp it. Take some more, stamp it. And then take some more and blend it in 3/4 of the way through. And I stop right there. So it just helps to smoke it out. Can you see the look? That just helps to give definition to the lid, to the crease rather, sorry. Helps to give definition to the crease. Blend it in 3/4 of the way through. Then you go back to your transition blending brush, take a little bit more product and blend out the harsh lines so that everything looks well blended, because blending is key. Blending is key. Next, we are going to be going in with a small brush. I had my makeup brushes well organized, but I had a little accident, so everything turned upside down. So I'm going to be going in with this Eden shade. That is the light pink shade. Actually, I want to use that. This shade right here. Let's use it. Let's go for a different look today. And I'm using my e.l.f. professional eyeshadow brush. Whenever you pick up products, it's always advisable to tap like this. We're just going to apply it on the mobile lid, just on the lid. We are not going to exceed that lid space. We're not doing a cut crease on the lid. You can see we are applying it 2/3 of the way through. Can you see that? And that is all. Like, always ensure that you do not exceed your mobile lid, because if you do, the makeup application process becomes, in fact, it begins to look tacky. And that base we applied is really gripping onto the product. It's gripping onto the eyeshadow. You can see we are done with the eyeshadow, but we are not yet done with this look. So we're going to go back into that brownish shade, and we're going to just tap it in gently at the side here to marry the two colors together on the lid to make it look well blended. That is the goal, to remove every line of demarcation. And then we are going to go into, where is my brush? Where are you? We are going to go back into that transition color, and then we're going to use it to clean out the crease a bit, blend out the crease, and we're also going to take it into the inner corner of our eye to neaten the eyeshadow where it meets with the crease, by that curve, by that fold. I'm going to do same for this side. Blend out. You can see that is well blended. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to be applying our liquid liner. This one I have right here is from Zaron Cosmetics. Please, if you have very little lid space, apply only a very thin layer. of liquid liner. Next, taking my Maybelline the Colossal Kajal 12 Hour Extra Black, I'm going to be applying that in the waterline just to add some dimension to this look. We're also going to be applying this Maybelline Full and Soft Mascara Hydrofuge, which looks just like this. I'm going to be applying that to our top lashes only. We will come back to the bottom lash later when we are done with concealer highlighting our face. We're going to go ahead now to apply our lashes. I'm trying to think of the style I want to apply. I have so many lashes. Let me just look for one that is. I'll be right back. So for lashes today, I'm going to be applying this Brown Beauty lashes. This pair right here. I already have one on the back of my hands, and I'll be using my Huda Beauty lash glue. So we are done with the lashes right now. I'm going to go off camera to finish up the rest of my face and then come back so that we smoke out this lower lash line and round up the video. So guys, we are done with the rest of our face and our eyes is still looking pretty much gorgeous. We are going to finish up our lower lash line. I'm going to go in first with that Savannah Desert shade that we use for our transition, and I'm going to use that to smoke out this eye a bit. Same also for the other side. And after that, I'm going to go into that brownie shade, and I'm going to use that brownie shade to smoke it out some more. I like the look of smudged or well smoked out lower lash line. Can you see? It just gives this sultry look, and it helps me to hide a little bit of fine lines I have. So there you have it, guys, the Soft Eye Glam featuring the Makupaddiction Flaming Love palette. This is a glam look you can use for any occasion, weddings, occasion, like anything, any occasion, birthdays, weddings, anything. I really love the way this look turned out. Like, I'm looking like $1,000,000. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for staying tuned till the end. Are you going to recreate this makeup look? Like this eye makeup look, are you gonna recreate it? It's just giving me everything I needed to give me, and I really love it to bits. And I'll see you in my very next video. Bye guys.